the way that data is presented can change how we use it. So representation matters, not just data. Any information, the way it's presented and the way it's shared changes how we interpret it, changes how it can be used. So in this activity, just to kind of get that concept, we have this menu we talked about in class a little bit. We have this menu represented in 4 different ways. We have kind of the menu listing, how it would be listed in the menu at the restaurant. We have pictures, we have images of the food. We have the recipe, and we have straight up the nutritional information. So this is the same food. It's these 4 meals represented 4 different ways. The way you represent information, the same information represented 4 different ways, can change the outcomes. So the goal is that it is important to pick what is going to suit your needs. So in this activity, you're going to go to each slide, and we have 4 customers. For each customer on each slide, you're going to consider the way the data is presented. So for the first slide, you're going to think about the customer being allergic to eggs and using just the information, just the data presented. Which of the 4 meals, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and why, using just this data set. So again, on each slide, you're going to look at the customer needs, what the customer needs, what the customer wants, and then considering just the data presented on that slide, what choice would you make? 1, 2, 3, or 4, and why? Be specific. What about the request in the data set for the same meals made you make the choice on this slide for this customer and this data set?